my boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar. We had Tones and I with the song called Dreaming. So I think you recognize this Tones and I band here. And yeah, perhaps Dance Monkey that rocked the world here a couple of years ago. So this one is called Dreaming. Nice, and we really can hear the voice there, the special voice that sings there. So really nice to cover the song, Tones and I, Dreaming. Let's take a look at this one. No need for any capo here, so let's take a look at the chords. We have first the A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have C next. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have F, that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the first fret over all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have also the E, open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then we have the G sharp 7. That's a bar chord. So you place the bar here on the fourth fret, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 6th on A and 5th on G. So that is the chords, that's the chord you need. So we're gonna take a look at the strumming here. That will be with us from the beginning till the very end, and it's almost just like one chord progression as well, with just an extra added pre-chorus there. Very easy. But anyway, if you go to the A minor, that's the first chord. You're gonna play strumming up, down, up, clap. So that's one round. So slowly it's up, down, up, clap. So a couple rounds. Okay, so it goes just a bit faster, but practice slow and get the tempo up gradually there. So the main part of this song here will be chord progression: A minor, 4 string rounds, C, 4, F, 4, E, 2, and then the G sharp 2. So A minor 4, C 4, F4, E2, and G sharp 2. And that's one round. You're gonna play like this from the beginning till the very end almost. But we have this pre-chorus, for instance, on 34 seconds into the song, and the lyrics "Guess this just a fantasy." This is where you hold the A minor and just play 12 rounds from just the A minor. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, and one extra down, up, down. So A minor, 12 rounds and extra up, down, and you stop and pause, and then you go on again with the main parts: A minor 4, C4, F4, E2, and G sharp 2. And that's pretty much it for Tones and I, Dreamin'. So give it a try, guys, and if you enjoyed this, please support me on Goring Guitar. Show me some love, leave a comment, or support me with like, or if you want to subscribe, even better. So thank you so much, and play tuned.